Hey there. Ever find yourself needing to order new checks and you're with TD? It's a common thing, and luckily, the process is pretty straightforward. Whether you're setting up new accounts or you've just run out, getting your hands on a new checkbook can be done in a few different ways. We're going to walk through each one so you can pick the option that's easiest for you. First up, let's talk about the most convenient method for most people, online banking. It's quick and you can do it anytime, anywhere. Log into your TD Easy Web account. Once you're in, look for the Accounts tab in the main navigation menu. From there, select the specific account you need checks for. On the Account Details page, you should see a link or a button that says something like Order Checks or View Account Services. Click on that, and it will take you to the check ordering page. You'll be presented with a few options for the style and quantity of checks. Take a look at the designs and pick the one you like. You'll also need to confirm your shipping address. The system usually defaults to the address they have on file, so just double-check to make sure it's correct. Once you've made your selections, you'll see a final summary of your order, including the cost. Review it carefully, and then submit your order. TD will typically send you an email confirmation, and your new check should arrive in the mail within a few business days. Now, if you're not a fan of online banking or you just prefer a more personal touch, you can always visit a TD branch. This is a great option if you need to speak with a representative about different check options or if you have a more complex account setup. Just head to your nearest TD Canada Trust branch and let them know you'd like to order new checks. A representative will assist you in filling out the necessary form and will place the order for you right then and there. They can also answer any questions you might have about different check features or services. A third option is to call TD's customer service line. This is perfect if you're on the go and can't get to a computer or a branch. The number to call is 1-866-222-3456. Once you get through, you'll navigate the automated menu to reach a customer service representative. Be prepared to provide some information to verify your identity, like your account number. The representative will then be able to process your check order over the phone and confirm the details with you. So, to quickly recap, you have 3 simple ways to order checks from TD, online through EasyWeb, by visiting a branch, or by calling their customer service line. Each method is designed to make the process as simple as possible. No matter which one you choose, you'll be all set with your new checkbook in no time.